Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Ann, and if you're not, welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup related videos, and today we're going to be doing the Boxy Premium unboxing. So Boxy is just a monthly beauty subscription. This one is $35 a month. You get 6 full-size products, and normally the brands are more like from the higher ends to the luxury, and they do have a base box, which is $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products. And then they do have the Boxy Luxe, which is $50 every 4 months, which is 3 times a year. And you get around 8 full-size products in it. And this is the month that we actually get it. That's why I was like looking at my box, making sure I got it right. But this is the premium. Okay. So, the theme this month is Game Changer. Okay. So, I finally, moved my vanity and stuff, to film where I'm filming at, so I can film back against this wall again. I don't know, I've got to figure out how to get my camera set up, push back because of my mirror and stuff. I got to work on that, so I just get, far away from the vanity. Okay, I don't know what to get first. First we're going to get Sauté London, Dewy Skin, Vitamin C, Glass Glow Primer. This is Glass Glow Skin Primer. You're getting 30 milliliters, which is 1.01 flow ounces. And right here it is. So, pretty much like a regular size primer. So it's supposed to be Vitamin C, glass glow. To me, when it says glass, it's cover your pores and stuff. Now I don't know. I think it does. So here's what it looks like. It's got a little bit of a smell to it. Nothing overpowering, anything like that. I do think it helps with the pores, for the ones in my hand. I don't know if you can tell the difference right in here than the rest of my hands. I think I can see the difference. But it does, it's not like a bad smell. It smells I don't know. Vitamin C's got a smell to it. It just does. And so, this is for our Flawless Dewy makeup application. Okay. Then we are going to get the Grace and Stella. This is Everything is Better in Pink. It's an eye mask that's collagen boosting. You're getting 12 pairs. Don't pay no attention to my nails. I had acrylics on and I got aggravated with them and I clipped them off and I've been sanding them off, and now it's time to finish soaking these in my remover. So here is these. Look, got a little ombre look going on. I like a good eye mask. Okay, next thing is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. Stays all day and night. We're getting 30 milliliters, which is 1.0 flow ounce. And I got the color number 5 Warm. Now, I do think I picked this, but I think when I was picking, I don't know, it's kind of hard to pick foundations online. I hope I didn't go too light. I hope I didn't go too dark. So, I think it's good. But I am going to do a self-tan. I got my hair cut. That's why it looks a little wonky. I ain't got it trained to go the way it needs to go yet. But I did get my hair cut. I don't really like it that good. Because I kind of like mine short, like a bob cut, shorter in the back, longer in the front. But it's got a little bit shorter in the front, but it's alright. Then I'm going to go ahead and get it back blonde. I just wanted to wait and make sure it was healthy enough before bleach hit it again, because last time I bleached it, like, really done the damage. That's why the front is actually a little shorter, is because last time I bleached it, it was, like, horrible. So, it's a pump. Like, I'm so ready for summer. I don't know where everybody lives, but I live in Kentucky, and I'm telling you something. Friday, we've got big snow coming in. It's a snow will not quit. I am so tired of cold weather. Ooh, that pump. One pump could do my whole face. So I do think that's a lot. I mean, that's a lot, and it's thick. It does, like, I think it's going to be full coverage. I don't see freckles coming through. I'll get that linked in. I need a tissue, something. So you can see it is full coverage, no freckles. Probably even cover this little, I've got it everywhere. Ooh, my little chicken got me. As you can see, it is full coverage. Cannot wait to use that. I should have grabbed a makeup wipe. Probably would have been better, but that will do. But it is full coverage. Does, like, I think it's got a little bit of a yellow undertone to it. I'm more like a pink, like you see. I don't know if you guys can see, I got blue veins coming through. But I'm very excited about this. Alright, next thing is one size fits all. Ultimate Setting Powder. We're getting 34.5 grams, which is 1.2 ounces. And I got the color Translucent 01. Ooh. I like the way it looks. It's got like the frost. It looks like frost glass, but I think it is. It feels like plastic. Now, the powder I got last month. I said I didn't know maybe it would work. It was yellow. It is yellow when it hits my skin. Okay, so I like that. Then, let me see. I don't, there it is. I don't know why they make stuff like this so complicated. Okay, got that. Then it comes out of the, right here. It's supposed to come out. But I think this color, yes, powder, it's pretty much always about the same color, but right here, can you see it? A little bit, didn't take much to set that down. So I do like it. Does it smell? Some powders I don't like the smell of for some reason. Don't really have a smell to it. So I know I'm going to like this, because who don't like, as long as it does what it's like, don't dry me out under the eyes. That's my biggest problem with powders. Ooh, and I dropped it. One the other day, my Barrel Mineral powder that I really, really like. My cat knocked it off the table. The lid did not come open. The bottom of it came off and, like, wasted half of it. Okay. The new company, the Peel Vitamin C plus AHA plus HA. We're getting 1.01 flow ounces, 30 milliliters. And it's just, the Peel is a topical supplement, a single dose of powerful active, where everyday ingredient has a function for the health of your skin, made using only non-toxic clean ingredients. I like that. Anti-inflammatory, exfoliating, resurfacing, hydration, hyaluronic acid, lactic acid, sodium PCA for the hydration. Then it's got glyceric acid, tiger grass plus GA to exfoliate and resurfacing. Then the anti-inflammatory is the Bellberry, Caffeine, Isolia, Lorte. And here she is. Let me see. Let me go up here. I hate this. Oh, finally. So it is like, just like a whitish, clear. I'm gonna put it up here where I don't have no makeup. It's got a little bit of a smell. I don't know what that is. I'm not crazy about it, but it's not bad. It feels good. Seems like my skin's absorbing it pretty good. So we will see. Okay, then we got Aether Beauty Big Bang Mascara. This is cruelty-free and vegan. Printed with soy ink. The Pita Bunnies on it too. And here it is. But that's like, look at that. That slides out so easy. It's like really, really black. It smells like mascara. I think I forgot this mascara. I don't really have a mirror. I don't, like, I don't know. I'm making a mess. Okay. I think with a one like this, I would prefer to do my, I don't know how, it's like messy. I don't like it. I don't know why it came out like it. For a one this size though, I would prefer like these little ones I like for my little lashes. I don't know. I'm not really crazy about doing my top lashes with it, but we will see. Came off easy. Okay, do we have anything else left besides the gum? No, that is it. Mostly, I was excited about the Charlotte Tilbury's foundation, and I am really liking the primer. And let me get in this. So that's like enough. Like, I got my primer, my foundation, my powder to set my face. All I needed was really concealer. But I do think that I got some concealer in my Ipsy that I got on add-ons. Okay, so the Charlotte Tilbury's foundation, $44. We're at $35, so we're made already $9. Aether Beauty Big Bang Mascara, $28. The New Company, the Peel All-in-One Serum is $85. So, like, we're way over $100. Like, almost, like, around a little over $150. The Tate London primer is $32. The One Size Beauty by Patrick Starr is $30. And the Grace and Stella Collagen Eye Booster Mask is $24. So, you know, we're getting closer to $200. For $35, that's not really bad. So I think it's a really good deal, and I'm really excited about the primer, the foundation, the powder, even the serum, because the serum's supposed to do so much. So I'm really excited about that, and I love a good eye mask, especially like I do my eyeshadows first, so I always like to put a eye mask on while I'm doing mine and just let it set while I'm doing my eyes. No big deal, but I really do like the box. Really nothing to complain about. My least favorite thing is the mascara, and I don't know, I didn't like how, like, it messed the top up and I got my fingers in it really fast. I did not like that, but that was an accident. And I do have a lot of mascaras. I really don't need no more. I've got a lot that is not open, and I probably never need mascara, but I mean, they'll ruin, so I don't know. I really just don't need no mascaras right now. But I do like everything. I cannot wait. I'm going to use this stuff these 3 or 4 things I am going to use tomorrow. And probably the eye mask too. But I guess that is it. If nobody's tried Boxy for yourself and you would like to try one of their boxes, I will leave the description, or I'll leave a link in the description box below. And I guess that is it. Hope you guys have a good day, and thank you so much for hanging out with me. And before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye for now.